Howdy, hey folks. Look at this nonsense. This is ridiculous. We're actually getting winter in Tennessee. Many of you know there was a crazy storm that came through. We lost power for 5 days, had some burst pipes, but we made it through, and we've still got a ton of snow for us. Today I've got some time to run out and check some spots. I don't know if there's any spots that don't have ice over them. I don't even know if I'm going to find a lure today, but I'm going to bring you along so you can check it out. I'm going to go load my canoe up. Probably not going to use it today, but we're going to go check some spots and see if there's any lures or even any open water to cast into. That was sketchy. Okay, this is a good sign. The road is actually plowed. Let's see if there's any ice on the water. Okay, my main squeeze spot has a tiny bit of open water. I'm gonna go poke around. I'm not gonna be surprised if there's no new lures because it has been cold and freezing here for quite a while now. But I'll go peek around and see if I can find anything. Also, fun little thing about this trip, I got a new lens. So I'm gonna be playing with my my new toy a little bit, see if I can get some new zoomy shots. Okay, let's see how sketchy this is. Ooh, it's a little, ooh, yep. Oh man, guess I could trudge through the leaves over there. Oh, that's nice. That's not bad at all. There we go, we're down here. Whoo, just imagine how unpressured these fish are. Oh, they're just probably waiting to gobble something up. Yeah, not seeing any new lures anywhere. I'll keep looking. Oh yeah, we got something up there. I'm ready to bird, man. Look at that cutie. Oh, don't forget about this guy too. Oh yeah, we be birding. Oh man, walked right by this guy. That beaver's been busy. I'm seeing some line down there. It would be precarious to get to. Can't see anything. Okay, there is nothing, no lures here. But by golly, I want to fish. So I've got a teensy tiny little rooster tail here. I'm gonna try to do a couple casts over here. See if I can't reel something in. That would actually be my first fish for 26 if I did. Okay, here goes nothing. Whoa, is that what casting feels like? It's like 33 degrees out here right now. I have no clue how cold the water is. Obviously cold enough to freeze. Okay, I'm gonna try on the other side of the bridge over here, and then we're gonna go try another spot, see if we can actually find a lure. Oh yeah, this is where the fish are. Right there. Whew, my eyes are playing tricks on me. I thought I saw something following. Oh yeah, running under the ice. That'll get them. Oh, I think I went right. What did I catch? A piece of trash? Cool. Well, I'm cleaning up. That's crazy. Put that in the old back pocket to find in the wash later. All right, one more cast, and then we got to go to somewhere else. Let me tell you what, it feels good to cast a little bit. Well, that's not going to work. They blocked off that boat ramp completely. Oh well, maybe I'll try one more spot. We're losing daylight. Bummer, this one's iced out too. Well folks, thanks so much for coming out with me on this dud of a trip. I guess we struck out this time, but it was good to get out and cast a couple times anyways. And I want to get on here and tell you guys about the NWTF conference that I'm going to be at. So come on out and try to find me. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Last year was my first year going. I had never been before, and it was a lot of fun to see all the vendors. Also, just a reminder, I'm going to be giving away one of those tackle boxes. All you've got to do is just tag me or post a picture or a video in the comments. You can do it on TikTok of you cleaning up some line or finding a lure, cleaning up some trash by the water. Anything like that will get you an entry in to win the tackle box. And I'll run it until the end of February, just so we can really clean some stuff up. I can't wait to see what you guys clean up. Thanks so much for coming out with me, and I'll catch you later.